Sweet, dude. You got the class done and you started painting on the pupper. Yeah. That's right. What's next, fool? I'm gonna keep painting that puppy. That puppy right there. Then I'm going to finish with the top of the sandstone. That part over there. Then I'm gonna move up to the man. I'm gonna finish his hand. A little bit of work on the legs. And a little bit of work on the face and the hair. And then I gotta do a little bit of work on the tiger face and the fangs and the paw. And then we'd be done. Cool, man. Let's get to work.